Are you still looking for a dream house na cozy living and may peaceful community for your growing family? Well, ito na yon. Hi guys, this is me again, Ron Idjo, your trusted property consultant. Tara, samahan nyo ko quick house tour ang napakaganda, very elegant at very spacious na Ana Clarissa model by Demeterland. This house has 4 bedroom and 3 toilet and bath with 168 square meter lot area and 125 square meter floor area. As you can see, may gate and fence na siya na pwedeng pataasan up to 2 meters. And lahat ng doors is nakamahogany woods na. Sobrang lawak ng living, dining, and kitchen area na may built-in cabinet na. Sobrang aliwalas din dahil tapat lang siya ng lanay area. May toilet and bath na sa first floor, katabi lang ng first bedroom. Nakamahogany wooden at transparent glass na rin ang kanyang handrails. Lahat ng room ay may built-in cabinet na and naka-cove or drop ceiling na rin, depende sa choice mo. Bukod sa security ng subdivision ay may pre-CCTV camera at naka-smoke detector alarm na rin ang bawat rooms. Naka-tiles na din ang floor to ceiling ng toilet and bath. May lavatory at naka-rain and telephone shower na rin ito. Sa master's bedroom o fourth bedroom ay may walk-in closet. Sobrang elegant, 'di ba? Available ito from south to north. Kaya ano pang iniintay mo? Tripping na tayo. I-message mo lang ako sa aking FB at i-like and follow mo na rin ako sa aking YouTube, TikTok and Instagram. Thank you!